Students, in this video we are going to discuss the quadrilateral in chapter 5. What is the chapter name? Understanding the elementary shape of the class 6 maths. So first, what is meant by quadrilateral? So quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides. If any polygon have four sides, that is called quadrilateral. How will you say this quadrilateral in otherwise? We are call it as a plane figure bounded by four line segment. Okay, bounded by four line segment. We are discussed already what is mean by polygon and details about the polygon in the chapter 4 basic geometrical idea of the class 6. So here polygon means polygon is the closed figure entirely made up of line segment. So here we say a plane figure bounded by four line segment. So next we are going to classify this quadrilateral based on the sides and angles of the quadrilateral. So that is called properties. So based on the properties, we are classified this quadrilateral into five types. We are listed in the form of table. Okay. So first, two pairs of parallel sides. If we have any polygon, have two pairs of parallel sides. Here we will check, this is the first pair, this is the second pair. So two pairs of parallel sides and also opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel means it is called parallelogram. The sides are parallel means two pairs of parallel side means it is called parallelogram. That polygon is, that quadrilateral is parallelogram. Let us move to the second type, the parallelogram with four right angles. The same properties of the parallelogram also, that is two pairs of opposite sides with the angles. Angles are making the angle right angles. Four right angle means that is called rectangle. So the type of quadrilateral is rectangle. Then let us move to this parallelogram, third one. So the parallelogram with four sides of equal in length. Here four sides of polygon. This polygon have four sides are equal in length and all the sides are equal means that is called rhombus. Okay, that is called rhombus. Here angles, opposite angles are equal also. Then here the fourth one is square. So what is square type of quadrilateral means? A rhombus with four right angles. The same rhombus with four right angles, that is all sides are equal and each angle also 90 degree means that is called square. Let us move to the fifth quadrilateral, one pair of parallel sides, that is only one pair of parallel sides in this polygon means it is called trapezium. So after classifying this quadrilateral, we are going to conclude by using this table. So okay, first we are list out the quadrilateral here, types of quadrilateral: parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus and trapezium. So what are the details listed here means opposite sides. The properties are opposite sides are parallel and equal, all sides are equal and opposite angles are equal, then diagonals are equal and perpendicular. Let us check the parallelogram now. So we are going to check the parallelogram here. In this parallelogram we will check the opposite sides are parallel or not. Yes, the opposite sides are parallel and also equal in length. So we will write yes here. We will write yes and yes. Then all sides are equal, you will check. Already we said that the opposite sides are equal. How will you say all the sides are equal? So we write no here in this table. Next, opposite angles are equal. Yes, here this angle is equal to this angle and this angle also equal to this angle. So here opposite angles are equal. Yes. Then diagonal, we are going to check the diagonal. Diagonals are equal. No, the diagonals are not equal in this parallelogram and also not perpendicular because it is the parallel. So there is no perpendicular. So we write no. We go for rectangle. In this rectangle, we will write opposite sides are parallel also, equal also. So we will write yes here, yes here. And which one is the, it will satisfy, this rectangle satisfies all the criteria except all sides are equal. So if the rectangle means opposite sides are only equal, so we will write no here, the other criteria are yes. Let us move to the square. We will check the square. In this square, opposite sides are parallel also and equal also, but no equal and no opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal in square. So we will write yes. Opposite angles are equal, yes. Then diagonals are perpendicular here, so we will write yes here. Then we go for rhombus. Rhombus only we write opposite angles are equal. In this rhombus we will check opposite angles are equal, so we write yes. Then trapezium we will write no to opposite sides are equal. Only parallel sides, there is no equal sides. So this is the conclusions about the classification of the quadrilateral. Let us move to this exercise. Let us move to the exercise. Exercises 5.7. Exercises 5.7. So first one, say true or false. Each angle of the rectangle is the right angle. Yes, all the angles are right angle in rectangle. So we will write true. So the opposite sides of the rectangles are equal in length. Yes, opposite sides are equal, that is 90 degrees. So you say true. Then the diagonal of the square are perpendicular to one another. Yes, the diagonals of the square is perpendicular. So we will write true. Then all the sides of the rhombus are equal. Yes, rhombus have all the sides are equal. So we will write true. All the sides of the parallelogram are equal in length. No, opposite sides only equal. So we will write false. Then opposite sides of the trapeziums are parallel. No, opposite sides are not equal, not parallel. Okay, so that is false. Then give reason for the following. This is the second question. A square can be thought of as the special rectangle. How will you be thought the square is the special rectangle? So you will check the square and rectangle. What is the property of the square? Square, all the sides are equal and also the diagonals are making 90 degree opposite. So the angles are 90 degree, the opposite diagonals are equal here. So the diagonals are equal. So all the sides are of same length in square. In rectangle becomes a square, but both have 90 interior degree angle. So in rectangle opposite sides are parallel and equal. Here in same in the square all the sides are same length, but only one common point, that is both have 90 degree interior angle. So we call it as square can be a thought of special rectangle. So next one, a rectangle can be thought of as the special parallelogram. So first we list out the parallelogram property, that is the opposites are equal and the opposite sides are equal and parallel. In parallelogram the rectangles also opposites are equal and parallel. So the interior angle is 90 degree and parallelogram each angle is right angle becomes a square. Right angle becomes a square. So we call it as it is the rectangle can be thought of a special program, a special parallelogram. Then third question, a square can be thought of as the special rhombus. A square have all sides are equal, rhombus have all sides are equal, but only one difference is interior angle is 90 degree in square. Here each angle as right angle becomes the square. Okay, if you making each angle to right angle, it will become square. So we thought a square can be a special rhombus. Then we go for D question. D question is square, rectangle, parallelograms all are quadrilateral. Yes, all are closed figure. If any figure is closed entirely made up of line segment means it is a polygon. If the polygon is started from has four side means it is a quadrilateral. So the squares also have four sides, rectangle also have four sides, parallelogram also four sides. It is also the closed figure entirely made up of line segment. So we call it as the square, rectangle and parallelogram is the quadrilateral. So next E question, square is also the parallelogram. So now we will tell the square properties. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay, opposite sides are parallel means all the sides are equal and same length. We call we will say like this also. Then parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel, so we call it as square is also the parallelogram. Then third question is a figure is said to be regular figure if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? You know, yes, square is the regular quadrilateral because the square have all the sides are equal and also make a measure of angle is 90 degrees because all the interior angle are 90 degree and all sides are same length. Thank you students, hope all are understand. Thank you.